This is a boat I think someone drug out of the woods. He knew nothing about it. I don't think he paid a cent for it, and he's not even concerned about the boat. It's completely rotten, but he bought it from the motor. So I wasn't firing, and the trigger was bad, and someone tried to replace it. You can see how they've tried to splice in a wire into another rotten wire. That's normal for that. The stator had output, but it wouldn't have charged because those wires are like normal wires for the this age of Mercury. It's just brittle. So it got a new stator, it got a new trigger. We started it up and it was firing on all cylinders. Rebuilt the carbs because they were really bad. Put an impeller in the lower unit because there's no telling how long it's been since it's changed. And change the fluids in the lower. Start her up.